Hi babe, it's Mila from Munchkin Time, and today for dinner we're making chicken fried steak with gravy. It's What's for Dinner episode number 16. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. This chicken fried steak with that gravy, oh my goodness, it is so good. You're gonna love this recipe. For this recipe, we'll be using cube steak. Using a big dish, add 1.5 cup of flour. In a different bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Montreal Steak Spice. Then give it a really good whisk. Next, pour 1.5 cup of buttermilk and add 1 egg. Again, give it a really good whisk. Then season with salt and pepper and whisk it again. I also like to add salt to the flour, so if you want, add salt to the flour mixture too. Now add steak into the flour mixture, then into the batter, and then into the flour again, and repeat with all of the steaks. Using non-stick skillet, preheat 3 cups of oil, then add steak and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Transfer steak onto a plate lined with paper towel. Now let's make the most delicious gravy. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. For this gravy, we'll be using breakfast sausages, finely chopped sausages, using a big knife. Or you can grate them on a grater. Sauté sausages with no oil until golden color. After, remove from the skillet onto a plate. Then add 3 tablespoons of butter. After it melts, add 1/3 cup of flour and stir until everything's combined. Slowly pour in 2 cups of chicken broth and whisk non-stop. After everything's combined, pour in 1.5 cup of heavy whipping cream and whisk it all in. Return sausages into the skillet, stir that in, season with salt and pepper, and the sausage gravy is ready. Serve gravy over the steak and sprinkle some parsley over the top. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel if you like recipes like this. In the comments below, please let me know if you would eat this with eggs or if you would eat this with mashed potatoes for dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.